One of the very first things the cacao spirit told me to do with cacao was to have a cup and go for a hike. Take a walk up the valley from here where I live. And I did. And I experienced that my appreciation for color, for movement, for bird songs, for the energies of nature was increased. I noticed that the little plants growing on trees jumped out at me. A whole world growing on tree limbs way up in the air. I noticed that the little creatures crawling and climbing on the ground, the flowers that were there. Everything was heightened. As some higher beings say, the vibration, the frequency called beauty is the closest thing on planet Earth to the cosmic frequency called God, Goddess, all that is. And so an appreciation for beauty, however you experience that, is connecting you to Source. So please go on out there into the world with a friend or your cacao cup.